Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have decided to do something a little bit different today. I haven't really seen anybody do this in this way yet. So marble with Sharpies is really popular. Watercolour with Sharpies is really popular. Sharpies are just really popular. You can create some absolutely outstanding nail art with these things. Who'd have thought it, hey? You thought it would just for your kids, but no, definitely can create some amazing bits of work. So what I've done is I've prepared two tips. I've done a tip which is solid block colour ombre into sort of a milky white, which is the one I'm working on now, and then obviously I've done an extended nail bed in white on the other tip. Haven't bothered building it up, this is just a display picture, but what you could look at doing is building that up with a white acrylic or a white gel, hard gel, and then encapsulating the design that you do as well. That would look quite cute. So what I've done, I've taken some Sharpies and I'm just really sporadically popping on dots, splodges where I think I want the pattern to run. That's on the ombre tip, and then the clear tip, I'm going to be a bit more precise with that one because at the start of this I wanted it just to stay on the tip, but you'll see I changed my mind a little bit later on, so I'll just speed this up for you quickly in a moment. Okay, so I've just picked up a small striping, detailing, whatever you want to call it, brush, a little tiny brush, doesn't matter what it is, and I'm just dip that into some isopropyl alcohol, and then I am gently dotting that on the dots, to what it does is it disperses the colour, makes it translucent, disperses the colour. The more alcohol that you use, the more those patches of colour will bleed into each other, which I do a bit more on this nail. I do go a bit more heavy-handed, and then you'll see I'm a bit more sparing with the alcohol on the clear tip because I want it to have a bit more control. So the less alcohol on your brush, the more control you will have of what those colours do, but sometimes it's nice to just let them do what they want to do and see what happens. So I'll speed this up for you and let you have a little look while I have a play. Okay, so you'll see I'm going back in onto the first nail with some more Sharpies. I didn't like the way it had dispersed as much as it had, so I'm going in with the Sharpies again. That's one of the other good things about this Sharpie and alcohol combo. You can build up layers. You can really build up so much depth with it. You're probably sick of hearing me say depth and dimension, but yeah, those are the kinds of looks I like. So yeah, you can really see me building it up now, going in, using less isopropyl alcohol this time because I wanted a little bit more control, and then what I decided to do is just blend it all in throughout the whole of that section in a moment. Okay, so adding a second layer of little dots into my crystal tip. what you will notice at the end of this video is that I completely forgot to film the top coating. So once I've done all of this, you must let this ink and alcohol combo dry. If you don't, when you put your top coat on, you will drag it all across the nail and it'll be a complete waste of your time. So just make sure you let it sit and you let it dry, bone dry, then pop a top coat of your choice on there. But yeah, keep watching to see how I get the final look, and there'll be some images at the end. I almost forgot about this bit. I decided that I wanted to take it up, graduate it up the side of one of the nail bed on the second nail. So what I've done, same process as before, gone in and sporadically popped some little splodges on, a little bit less precise this time because I did want it to blur out more like the one on the left. So I'll do that, go in with the alcohol, play about with it until I'm happy, and then hey presto. Okay, so here are the final results, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bit of a waffling one for me, but if you did like it, please do give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and check out some other videos if you want to. Bye.